Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. Welcome back to the new video. Today I will tell you about B1 level German examination oral paper. First video I have already made about the presentation of the B1 German examination that you can find in the description or at the end you will get the link of that video. Today I will tell you about Teil 1 of German B1 level examination, which is a Gemeinsam activity. Means it's a complete activity with the help of another candidate. Means you have to lead a discussion with your partner. In the examination, there are two candidates, and both of you have to conclude or make a discussion over a topic that will be given to you 10 minutes before. To prepare this topic, you have 10 minutes time, and after that, you have to lead a discussion in front of the teachers. So, discussion topics may vary. It's like you are discussing about planning of a trip, or you are planning a birthday party of a third common friend. So, you will lead a discussion with your partner, or maybe you are talking about the advantages and disadvantages of smartphone or social media. So these are the very current topics that you may get in the examination, so you have to be ready for this thing. So today I will tell you how to initiate a discussion and what are the vocabulary, what are the words structures that you may use during the discussion, which is very essential. So my advice is to keep your conversation very to the point, up to the mark, avoid mistakes. This is very important. If you speak correct sentence, you will get good marks. Instead of speaking lot of things and with lot of mistakes, it is better to use very to the point sentence with no error. I mean 100% accuracy can give you good score in this part of the oral examination. So I will tell you how to start the initiative. So it is better like two candidates will be there, you and maybe your partner. So it is advisable to initiate the discussion. Don't be afraid that who will start the discussion. So it is better if you initiate the discussion, because the invigilator are going to check your on the spot sense and your decision making power, how to react, how to respond to the question asked by the fellow participant. So your decision making on the spot reaction, okay, how do you react to the particular question? This is the thing that will be tested in this examination. So it is advisable to initiate, to start the discussion with your partner. Don't wait that he or she will initiate and you will only respond. It should not be like that. You have to answer and you have to frame question related to the discussion of the topic. At least three questions you may ask. This is my advice, to ask three questions at least in this part of this oral examination, and answer to the question asked by the fellow participant also simultaneously. So don't wait only to answer the question, or don't keep asking only the questions, you have to respond also. So it's a two-way. You have to make questions for the fellow candidate and you have to answer to his question or her question also. So first thing is very important that you have to take initiative, you have to start the discussion. So I will tell you how to start the discussion. Suppose you are getting this topic. This is timelines of this oral exam B1, and the topic is, suppose I have written a very general topic, in fitness studio game, to go in the gym. So candidate A and candidate B, there will be two candidates. So this is your topic, just a general topic I have just written to explain you how to lead a discussion. Suppose this is the theme of your topic, thema, in fitness studio game. So you have to discuss with your partner about the benefits, disadvantages, and your personal experience. How do you find this thing? So these are the basic questions you can ask, and this is the general thing that you can discuss over. Okay, so how will you start the discussion? I have also written this like, Heute haben wir die Aufgabe bekommen. This is the thing that you can start. Today we have got a task. Wir führen eine Diskussion. Or wir machen eine Diskussion über Fitnessstudio. This you can say. Or you can say, wissen Sie, wir planen eine Reise. Oder wissen Sie, wir planen eine Geburtstagparty für unseren Freund Tim or Thomas. So this is if you get a topic like you have to plan a birthday party or you have to plan a trip. So you can start like this, wissen Sie. Do you know that we have to plan a party like this? Wissen Sie. This is a very good start. Or otherwise you can say simple, heute haben wir die Aufgabe bekommen. Today we have got the task. So wir führen eine Diskussion über das Thema Fitnessstudio. This is the first thing that you can start. After that your partner will respond to you. He will say, ja, ich weiß das. Ja, ich weiß das. Yes, I know that we are doing a discussion. Ja, ich weiß das. Wir über ein Thema Diskussion machen. And then you will ask the question first. Was denken Sie darüber? What do you think about it? Suppose the topic is fitness studio. Was denken Sie darüber? What do you think? You are asking your partner. And he will respond, ja, ich denke, das ist gut. Fitnessstudio ist sehr wichtig für uns. Fitnessstudio ist sehr gut für unsere Gesundheit. It means gymming, doing exercise is good for our health. This is very, very important. And then your partner or you either maybe ask, haben Sie eine Idee? Do you have idea how one can be fit? Haben Sie Idee, wie man gesund bleiben kann? Oder haben Sie Idee, wie kann man ins Fitnessstudio Übung machen kann? How one can do exercise in the fitness studio? Oder haben Sie Erfahrung? Do you have experience? Oder gehen Sie ins Fitnessstudio? Do you go to the gym? Oder you can say, kennen Sie das? If something is new, you can ask, do you know this thing? Kennen Sie das? Oder if you are saying something like, ich finde Fitnessstudio sehr gut, das ist sehr, sehr wichtig für uns. Wir sind sehr gestresst, wir sind sehr müde und deshalb sollten wir ins Fitnessstudio gehen. We are very tired, we are very stressed sometimes, so we should go to the gym. Then you will ask, how do you think about this? This is the last point. Was halten Sie davon? What do you think about this? What do you think about my idea? What do you think? Was halten Sie davon? This is very good question you can ask. So you have to ask any 3 questions related to the topic. I just written very general questions. You may adjust according to the topic. Wie finden Sie meine Idee? How do you find my idea? You can ask like this. Wie finden Sie meine Idee? Then he will respond, ich finde deine Idee gut. Ich finde deine Idee toll. I find it very nice. I find it very good. Sehr gut. Okay. So either you will ask or your partner will ask these questions, then you have to respond accordingly. You have to respond first and then you may frame these questions. Okay, so these are the general questions that might help you during the discussion. Wie finden Sie meine Idee? How do you find my idea? Haben Sie Idee? Do you have any idea? Was denken Sie darüber? What do you think about it? Means whatever I am saying, what is your opinion? Was ist Ihre Meinung? What is your opinion about that? Was halten Sie davon? What do you consider? How do you consider my idea of saying these things? So these are the general questions that you may ask during the conversation. I have written very general question that may be fit in almost every situation, or you have to just do some adjustment according to the theme. And after that there are some Ausdrucke. Suppose you are in the middle of the discussion and you say you want to be agree with your partner, so you will say, ja, gute Idee, good idea, das gefällt mir, I like this, it appeals me. Or ich finde das gut, toll, I find it good. Whatever you are saying, I find it good. These are again general expression that you may use during the discussion. Ja, das passt mir gut. Yes, it suits me. Suppose you say, okay, wir treffen uns am Samstagabend. You decided to just meet at a particular point of time to discuss further. So you can say, yeah, das passt mir gut. Yeah, it suits me. We can meet. Or you can say, genau. Exactly. And then you can say these things. These are very, very general topics, okay? Fantastisch. Natürlich. Das stimmt. Das stimmt. You are correct. This is fantastisch. Fantastic. Genau. Exactly. I also think the same. I'm of the same opinion. So these are the Ausdrücke, these are the expressions that can tell you that, okay, you agree with your partner, you agree with the candidate, whatever he or she is saying, you agree with him or her. So these are the points that you may use. Das ist fantastisch. Ich stimme Ihnen zu. Okay? And in case you don't agree with your partner, whatever he or she is saying, so you may use these structures. Das finde ich nicht so gut. I don't find it so good. Das ist aber keine gute Idee. This is but not a good idea. This you can use. Or das halte ich nicht von wichtig. I don't consider it so important. Das halte ich nicht so wichtig. Okay. And the last, ich bin der anderen Meinung. I am of a different opinion. I have another opinion. My opinion is different from your opinion. So these are the general things. Ablehnen means reject, when you deny, when you refuse the point of view of your partner. So these are the things that you may use. This is the strategy that you have to follow before the examination. And one thing that you have to be remember always, either use Z form or do form. Don't mix both the forms. Okay, either Z or do form. Use only one form. I would suggest use Z form, formal conversation, because you don't know the candidate. Okay, so use formal conversation, Z form. So these are the things that I would like to tell you today in this video regarding B1 German level exam, Teil 1, gemeinsam Diskussion. It's a discussion with your partner. I hope you like this video. I hope you have got some knowledge about this part of the examination. In case any doubt, please write to me in the comment box. I will definitely help you out and wish you a lot of good luck for your coming examination. See you next time with a new video. Bye bye. Take care.